Guten Morgen and hello from sunny Berlin. After Hamburg and Munich, now we get to explore the capital of Germany. A few steps away from the funky Reichstag buildings is Berlin's famous urban forest, Tiergarten Park. The shady canopy of the park provides for a refreshing ride on smooth paths. Gleisdreieck Park. This is the definition of powder pavement. Sunny roads along the train line, a skate park to stop at, and the secret bank definitely topped off this session. Next stop was Berlin's Ode to Freedom. The wall now serves as an outdoor gallery in a lively place with all kinds of characters. Cruising back into center, we found fresh powder down in the Spree riverbanks. I see the tracks in the snow. Titus has what you need. Rad clothes, fresh decks, and you can even pick up a Mellow here. The Formula E brought the old airport to life and showed the world the future of racing with electric cars that blew us away alongside our test area. Outside the event, we cruised the old runway to meet new friends and ride endless lines. We topped it off by joining the Skate by Night. Light critical mass, but for inliners and skaters. Take a lap through the city with the rest of the e-skate scene and never ride alone again.